Hey, Disintegrated here, and today I'll be unboxing the Nintendo DSi. So here I go. And before I started the video, I took the stickers off to save time. So here I go. Take this flap off. Take this off. Here we go. Here's the quick start guide. Oh crap. It's in different it's in different languages. Guide Demarge Rapidi. Okay. It's the operation manual. It's in 3 different languages. Nintendo Club, DS Health and Safety, which nobody really cares about, and Nintendo Power, free issue. So see what's else in here. Here's the DSi itself. We'll get to that in a minute. Put that over there. See what's in here. Here's the AC adapter. Here it is. We'll get to that in just a minute too. And an extra stylus. I think there's already one in the DS. I'm not sure. But okay, put that aside there. Let's get to the DS. Wow, it doesn't have that glossy feel like that glossy look that it did to the DS Lite. It's got, I think that's for the power or something. I know there's 3 lights on there. There's the camera. And this, wow, it feels, I can tell it's thinner than the DS Lite. Opening this. As a camera right there, the microphone. Wait, has that click feel like it did to the original DS, like the first one. So yeah, I like that. The only downside to it is it doesn't have a GBA slot. So yeah. Get to this. Or something that just fell. I don't care. Okay. Try to untie this thing. Crap, how do I get this untied? Oh, here we go. And there we go. Oh, it's pretty long. It's like longer than the original DS. The DS Lite. That's how long it is. So yeah. Put that over there. There's the yeah, it does have a stylus already in it. I thought it would. And there it is. There's the extra one. Oh crap. I can feel this is already longer than the DS Lite. And just so you want to know what the box looks like on the inside and outside, I mean the the front and back, I meant. Put this back here. This is what it looks like on the front. The side right there. There. The other side. And the back. It just tells more about it in 3 languages. There's a picture of it. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a review on this and stuff. I don't know when, maybe sometime this week, but I don't know. But yes. Oh, one more thing. Just so you know what size it is. Here's an iPod Touch compared against it. Right there. iPod Touch and the DSi. So yeah, so it's pretty thin. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So see you next time.